Well, here I am again, brush in hand, and I'm going to video my painting process. When I start out, I put just plain water on the paper, and it's not really paper, it's called Yupo, and it's plastic. So I'm just putting little areas of water, and maybe some bigger areas of water. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if the light hits it so that you can see it or not. Alright, so then I put two colors on one side and one on the other side of the brush. And I'm using alizarin crimson and sap green. And then I kind of just put an odd shape down. In the red and green. And then I'm going to take another brush, same size, and put two colors on the brush, one on each side, burnt umber and cerulean blue. So I have a certain idea of what I want to do, or at least the color scheme. And I just got some phthalo light blue. Then I'll get a slightly smaller brush. But first, I'm going to put on some white. So I'm putting some of the red and green into the blue area and brown area, and maybe anyway. So yeah, I was going to put that light phthalo blue on. I almost forgot. You know, I mean, a lot of people look at my work and they say, "Oh, that's birds," and they're these kind of feathery brush strokes, and I do it a lot, but I want to change that up a little. So I'm going to scrape off some of the paint. There. So that looks a little different. It looks a little complexified. And let's see. So this looks a little unbalanced to me, and so I'm putting some of the darker green in, and I want to echo it over here. Well, there. I was so busy thinking about it and doing the brush strokes, I didn't talk for a while. But you saw what I was doing. So I love kind of the strange contrasts here. The light blue against the red and green, against the dark blue. And I guess it's possible to add some more color. The darker blues, the cerulean blue. Maybe that's enough. I don't know. I'm never quite sure. I mean, most of the space is filled up. I like to leave some white space where the paper shines through. It tends to give it more depth, I think, because the brightness of the paper really pops out. And again, it's not paper, it's a kind of plastic paper. What do you think? I don't know. What do I think? Well, I may go around and look at it from other sides. Yeah, I see something I should add. Okay. Maybe that's enough. I mean, a lot of what I do is kind of intuitive because I've been doing this for a long time. I don't kind of judge sort of. Well, I do look at little areas, but I don't judge it quite that way. It's kind of like as the whole thing progresses, I try to keep it somehow organized with color and shape together. Anyway, I'm going to turn off the camera now and let it dry. Thanks for watching.